finding the shortest path or shortest distance between two nodes in a weighted graph. In a weighted graph means there is the path first is given, means weight is given. Okay. So this is the starting nodes and this is the ending nodes. So we need to find the shortest distance between two nodes. Okay. It is used in math where we need to find the shortest distance between the two locations. Okay. So this is it will work for the same. Okay. Let's take one example. Okay. This is the example. So there is two. There is one source and another one is destination. So what is source? We will start from source. The source is 1 because we will start from 1, 2, and the destination is 6, 2, 4, 5, and 3 because from 1 all are the destination. So source is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all are destination. Okay. And initially, all the value of the path cost is infinite because we don't know the path cost. From 2 to 6, we don't know the path cost. What is the path cost? So this will be infinite. This will be infinite. Because 3 to 6, we don't know the path cost. So all are infinite initially. Okay? And we will calculate that one using this formula. So all are infinite. And from 1, first we will start from searching. So let's find the path cost of 2. So from 1 to 2 path cost. Initially all are infinite. Okay. Because we don't know the path cost. 2 to 6 we don't know the path cost. 3 to 6 we don't know the path cost. So initially path cost is infinite. Okay. Now we need to calculate the 1 to 2. So 1 to 1 means from one location we want to go the same location. So the path cost is 0. So from 1 to 1 path cost is 0. Here 1 to 2, 1 is u is 1 and v is 2. So distance of 1 is 0 plus cost of u to v. Cost of 1 to 2 is 2 less than distance of v. Distance v is 2. So distance of 2 is infinite. So 0 plus 2 less than infinite? Yes. So distance of v, distance of 2 will be the distance of u plus cost of uv. Distance of u is 0 plus cost of uv is 2. So distance of v means distance of 2 will be the 2. Okay. So distance of v is 2. Next 1 to 3. 1 is u and 3 is v. So distance of 1 is 0 plus cost of u to v, cost of 1 to 3. Cost of 1 to 3 is 4. Less than distance of here, v is 3. The distance of 3 is infinite. So less than infinite, 4 less than infinite, true. So distance of v means distance of 3 will be the 4. It will be 4. So distance of 3 will be 4. Next 1 to 4. 1 to 4 we cannot go. 1 to 5 we cannot go. 1 to 6 we cannot go because there is no direct path. So it will remain the previous value. Okay. Next, now we need to relax one node. Which is how to relax? Which is the minimum value of this? That node will be relaxed. So minimum value is 2. So the node 2 will be relaxed. And once the node is relaxed, we don't need to calculate again because it is the minimum path cost. So now and the relaxed node will come to the source. So 1, 2, and the relaxed node will come as it is because we don't need to calculate again. Now we need to calculate only 3, 4 path cost of 3, 4, 5, and 6. So from 2 is u, from 2 to 3 is v. So distance of 2 is 2 and cost of u to v is 1 less than v is 3. So distance of v is 4. 2 plus 1 3 less than 4. Yes. So distance of v means distance of 3 will be 2 plus 1 3. So distance of 3 will be 3. Next 2 to 4. For 2 is u, 4 is v. So distance of 2 is 2 plus cost is 7. So 2 plus 7 less than distance of B. Distance of B is 4. So less than distance of 4 is infinite. 2 plus 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 less than infinite is true. So distance of B, means distance of 4 will be the 2 plus 7, 9. So it will be 9. Next, 2 to 5 we cannot go, 2 to 6 we cannot go. So it will given the PDF value. Now, except 2, because this is already there, we need to find the minimum value. 3 is minimum. So the node 3 is relaxed. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3 will come. Next, we need to find the path cost of 4, 5 and 6 from 3. And 2 and 3 will come as it is, because this is relaxed. And from 3 to we can go 5 only. 4 and 6 we cannot go. So 3 to 5, from 3 is U and 5 is V. So distance of U is 3. Plus cost of U2V, cost of 3 to 5 is 3. So 3 plus 3 less than distance of B, distance of 5 is infinite. So 3 plus 3 less than infinite, 6 less than infinite, 2. So distance of B means distance of 5 will be the value of 3 plus 3, 6. So it will be 6. So distance of 5 is 6 and 3 to 4 we cannot go. So it will be previous value content the previous value 9 and this is infinite. Now from this 3 the minimum is 6. So the node 5 is relaxed. So it will come to the source 1, 2, 3 and 5. The relaxed node will come as it is. Okay. Now we need to find the path cost of only 4 and 6. So from 5 we can go 4 and 6. So distance there 5 is U and 4 is V in this case. So distance of U is, distance of 5 is 6. The cost of 5 to 4 is 2. Less than distance of B is 4. Distance of 4 is 9. So less than 9. 6 plus 2 8. 8 less than 9. Yes. So distance of 4 will be 6 plus 2 8. So distance of 4 will be 8. So distance of 4 is 8. And from 5 to 6, distance of 5 is 6 plus cost of U to V is 5 less than distance of B. Distance of B is 6 less than 6. Distance of 6 is infinite. So 6 plus 5 less than infinite is true. So the distance of B, distance of 6 will be 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. So it will be 11. Next, from these two, the minimum is 8. And it will be changed to 11. 8. So the node 4 is relaxed. So it will come to the source 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4. Now from 4 we can go only 6 and 5. And 5 is already relaxed. So don't need to check. Only we need to check the 6. So here U is 4 and V is 5. So distance of 4 is 8. And cost of U to V is 1. Cost of U to V is 1. Okay. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 less than distance of 6. Distance of 6 is 11. So 9 less than 11, it is true. So it will be, the distance of 6 will be 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. And it will be distance of 9. And all relaxed they will come as it is 2, 3, 8 and 6. And there is only one node. So just relax that node. So all the nodes are relaxed. When all the nodes are relaxed, we will stop here. So 9 plus 6 will come here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 and 6. And this is the minimum single source as a single source shortest path. Okay. So let's draw the graph. First is 1. Next 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. Path cost is 2. Next 2 to 3. So 2 to 3. 2 to 3 path cost is 1. Next 3 to 5. 3 to 5. And the path cost is 3. Next 5 to 4. 5 to 4 and the path cost is 2. Next 4 to 6. 4 to 6 and the path cost is 1. Okay. So this is the single source shortest path, and path cost is total path cost. Total path cost is 2 plus 1 3 plus 6 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 1 9. So this is the minimum path cost of this graph. That's how the Dijkstra algorithm will work, and this is the single source shortest path, and this is the path cost. So I hope you understand that. I explain this is very easy way. So if you understand and like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.